and welcome to this week's edition of Red Alert on Air. I'm Veronica.
And I'm Reese.
We are now closing off our second week of the build season. We've been very busy. Care to fill us in, Reese?
Sure, Veronica. We've ordered all the parts for our robots, and we finished all of our small chairman's essays.
Don't forget about our scrimmage, February 17th.
And now, let's meet some of our fellow team members.
Sounds like a fun idea. I hope we get to meet all of the team members this year.
That seems like a challenge to me.
A challenge?
Accepted!
I'd have to say my favorite part about Red Alert is how we always act like we're family.
My favorite thing about Red Alert is definitely the community. It's the people that I get to work with that share the same values and just have a common interest.
My favorite part about Red Alert is the people. I feel like we all have our own passions and interests, and it's so cool how we can get along. We share like what we're passionate about, and like as a result, I feel like we grow close together and we can learn a lot.
Thanks, guys.
And while we're on the topic of team members, let's talk about our mentor and student of the week.
The mentor of the week is Mr. Miller.
And the student of the week is Isaiah.
Next up, we have our Crazy Captain's Corner.
Hey, I'm Reese in the Crazy Captain's Corner, here to talk about what's going on with the robot. We're making great progress on it. We're a little behind schedule where we wanted to be with finishing up our designs and stuff like that, but as far as our scoring sub-team goes, we basically finalized our design on how we want to manipulate and pick up and push out the power cubes. And drivetrain is also finished the frame and how it's going to work in with our lift. And manipulation is very close to being done, but it's not quite done on finishing up our lift. We need to figure out a couple kinks just so that it fits inside the frame perimeter and everything.
Thanks for that update, Reese.
You're welcome. And that's all we have for you this week.
Bye.
Bye.
I just want to thank everybody for being on Red Alert on air today. I want to thank my mom. I want to thank everybody on the team.